Hi guys, Linda here. How are you? Today I am at the Arts and Craft Fair. A lot of people around. So basically, it's just set up, and I thought I'd just show you around, let you have a look, and see how I've set it up. So taking a look at this, I've got this garden mesh stuff, which is pretty strong, and hooks. So these are kind of like those meat hooks. Excuse the music in the background. Let's just hope that I don't get into trouble for the hat, but it can't be helped. So basically this is my setup. As you can see, you may have noticed, recognize the paintings, and yeah, I think this is actually turned out pretty well. It's the first time I've actually done a craft market, or it's an art and craft market like this, and unfortunately it's raining. It started raining today, but whoops. But we'll see, and maybe later on it'll clear up and people will start walking around. Anyway guys, just a short quick one. I thought I'd just let you have a see, maybe give you a couple of ideas on how you could do yours as well. So just a quick around here, and here's some recent artwork of mine which I've done. I don't know, I probably did it more than a year ago. This is another resin piece, and so that's another resin piece as well. That was pretty much when I started doing pouring, acrylic pouring. Yeah, so that's resin. And this one over here is also resin art, and it's actually on a wood panel that I actually call wild horses. And then I'll show you my table setup. Oh, there's my garden piece, which I absolutely love. And so these are the boxes and the towels. And here I have, you can see that. So these are keychains that I've made from my drippings. Put my hand behind, maybe you can see better. And those I'm selling for $5 each. So you can see a little bit closer, maybe. Really, really nice. Alright guys, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.